All right, this is problem set 3, and in problem set 3, the focus is on rational applications and all of that good stuff. So Nancy can paint the fence in 3 hours. For Ben, it takes him 4 hours to do the same job. If they were to work together, how many hours should it take? So this is going to be your lovely work is equal to rate times time. So work, rate, time, Nancy, and Ben together. They're only doing one thing, aka painting a fence. For Nancy, it takes her 3 hours. For Ben, it takes him 4 hours. So my rates for Nancy is 1/3. My rates for Ben is 1/4. Together, unknown hours. So that's going to be 1/x. So I have 1/3 plus 1/4 is equal to 1/x. I am going to put my left side with a LCD of 12. So this is 4/12 plus 3/12, which is equal to 1/x, or 7/12, which is equal to 1/x. So if I were to solve that, I'm going to get 12/7, which is approximately 1.7 hours if I were to put this into the calculator. Number 2, the expression -3x squared minus 5x plus 2 can be rewritten as which of the following expressions? So looking at this, I am going to factor out my numerator and denominator. Looking at my denominator, I know I can factor out an x squared. So I have x plus 2 right here. And then on my numerator, I'm actually going to factor out a negative because I like to factor with a positive a value. This is going to give me -6 and 5 as my b value. So then I'm going to get I'm going to get +6 and -1, which gives me a +5. And if you were to use the slip and slide method or whatever method you prefer, you're going to be left with 3x minus 1 and x plus 2. The x plus 2 simplifies to 1, so now you're just left with -3x minus 1/x squared. Oops. Which is answer choice C if you were to distribute the negative back. Number 3, for what values of a, b, and c can make this equation true? So here, I know I have to multiply 2x minus 5 on the left side, and then x minus 3 in the middle. And then this is just a game of, do you know how to simplify this? I'm not going to do that for you guys, but you could do this on your own. That's going to give you 8 as your a value, -14 as your b value, and -23 as your c value. For number 4, if I were to completely simplify this, I have x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 5, x minus 5. I'm going to flip it, so I have x plus 3, x plus 2, and x plus 5. And x minus 3, x minus 5. Let's see what cancels. The x plus 5 cancels, and the x minus 3 cancels. So then you're left with x plus 3, x plus 2, then x minus 5 squared. Number 5, you have to use SOAP because it is a sum of cubes. So the square root of 27x cubed is 3x, and the cube root of 125 is 5. Square my first term, that's 9x squared. Multiply my a and b, that's going to be 15x. And then square my second term, that's going to be 25. And remember with SOAP, it's going to be same, opposite, always positive. So, minus and then positive. And that is problem set number 3.